What is good, YouTube fam? So today is 4th of July, even though I wish that it was on a Monday or Friday, and unfortunately I had to land on a Wednesday, but you know, I'm just gonna take it in stride. At least I have a day off. I'm out of breath because you guys, I literally just jumped out of the shower, but I'm not putting on any makeup, and that's the reason why I'm looking mad crazy right now, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. I blew up a bunch of water balloons, and whenever my son and his daddy get home, I'm about to fire that ass up. So I need to be like fresh faced because it's gonna go down. So am I the only person that literally waits last minute? You guys, I went everywhere to try to find 4th of July shirts and other stuff like that, and I swear every store that I freaking went to didn't have anything. So now I'm gonna go to my trusted place to shop which I really don't buy clothes from there, no shade, but hold on, you guys, let it focus. What is going on here? Focus, come on. Okay. Well, my camera is acting shady. Hold on, you guys. Ari's gonna show you guys what we have for them when they walk in. Show them, Ree. Woohoo! Light them up, you guys. I've been up all morning just to get that done, and we still have a ton more. Don't laugh, I got them in the strainer. But I still got more too, so I still got to do it. All right. Tell me.
I want it done.
Tell them who you gonna get first.
Pink.
You gonna get the pink one first?
Yeah.
You gonna hit Tony? All right. Dab. All right. Wait, no, don't pop it. Don't pop it. Put it back. We gotta save it for later. We gotta save it for retaliation. Oh, wait, don't pop them. I look like mad crazy right now, but it is what it is. But like I tried to say earlier, I'm currently on my way to Walmart because we have to, well, not we, but I have to go find the kids some shirts because, you know, I'm always waiting last minute to do things, unfortunately. But okay, but you guys know what? Unfortunately, the clouds, it is cloudy as hell today, so I think it's actually going to rain on 4th of July. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like. I don't know. And Michael and Tonya right now, they're going to go get the fireworks, but literally it looks like it's about to storm. So guys, oh, and another thing, I have a prank coming up, but because, you know, I'm the prank master in my family, and my son and his father and his daddy, they don't like to be pranked. But you know what, I'm not even gonna post this video until I do what I need to do and get done. But as I said before, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try to head to Walmart. And if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys have been rocking with us, I like to greatly appreciate you guys. Again, thank you. Welcome to the family. If you are new, hello, hello, hello. Other than that, you guys, go ahead and sit back, relax, go ahead and enjoy this vlog, and I will talk to you guys all later. As you guys know, I don't want to keep rambling on because you guys know your girl can do that all day, every day. That's all I like to do is talk. Ask anybody that knows me. So I will see you guys all later. Thank you so much for tuning in, and bye, guys. You want to show them what you got from Walmart? Okay, hold on, you guys. She want to show you guys something. Show them what you got. Show them. Who is it? No, who's on the shirt?
Peppa Pig.
Yeah, she loves Peppa Pig, you guys. Our water balloon fight. You know, Team Mom's gonna win.
Nope.
Team Mom's gonna win. Oh, wait.
She's not gonna win.
Yeah, huh?
But she might be good at aiming.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop you right in your head. Okay, you guys, so let me know if you're Team Mom or Team Tony or Team Ari.
I think we should only be able to hold one at a time.
No, I need 2 guns loaded. Ari's on my team. Say Team Mom. No. Say Team Kira won. Come on, I'll let you in. No. Say Team Mom. Accept your fate. No, you didn't. Whatever. Tony. Okay, you guys, so I know it's a change. I finally got ready for 4th of July, but I want to show you guys the fireworks that we have to set this thing off, and I'm going to let my husband do the honors. Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Are we going to get that bag? The little bag?
Babe, show them that one, baby.
Oh yeah, these are basically exterminated 24. It's 24 motors on each side.
Look at the motors.
12 on that side, 12 on that side.
Show another one, babe.
Here you got the high fluting, which is another 5.
Those are really good right there. Those high flutings.
Yeah, these.
And this is a new one.
Yeah, it's a bigger one right here.
We haven't tried that one out yet.
Not yet.
But we're gonna see what it do tonight.
Little bags for kids.
Antonio got his little bag. What you got right there, Tone?
Things that you hold and they shoot out.
Okay. Roman candles.
Yeah.
You know, you got some little sparklers, you know, some, stuff for the kids so they can have a good
This is
time.
my favorite, Mom.
Which one's your favorite?
The one's back here.
What's those cherry bombs? All right.
I like snapping
Yeah?
with them in your thumbs.
I'm not brave enough. I'm head over to my mom's house to go get a bite to eat, and then from there we'll go ahead and set up because everybody's starving and supposedly everybody's waiting on me. So it is what it is, though. You know what I'm saying? It takes time. I had to make sure, I was looking right because you guys can't see, but earlier my head was looking like a damn hat. You'll probably see when we do, the water balloon fight or whatever, but I had to fix her up because I was, I had to do my lips popping. But other than that, you guys, I'm going to get the kids in the car, and then we'll get back to you guys once we're to our destination. So just stay tuned.
Hi, honey. Oh, gosh. Let me see your nails. Who did that?
Well, it's true.
So I got my toes done, too.
Let me see.
Y'all
Oh, I
went to the nail
love
shop.
your shoes.
Do
They
it,
look
do
like
it.
princess shoes.
Please.
I love those.
Alright, you guys, so I'm at my mama's house right now, and I want to show you guys exactly what she threw down in the kitchen, what she made up in here. I'm going to show you guys right now. Hold on, y'all. There you go. Deviled eggs. Nana pudding. Oh, what's this? Pasta salad. Got your potatoes. Potato salad. Got your ribs.
There's so many choices.
Chicken.
And everything. That's how we eat.
Mac and cheese. And don't forget the greens.
Cook a little bit.
Bitch, I'm about to go in. Here's the chef. This is the chef right here who made it all possible. What is up, people? So we are back. Back in the truck as always. So we are currently on our way to go do our fireworks. So as you guys can see, it's currently getting dark outside, so I'm probably not going to be doing a lot of vlogging just because we're going to be outside, it's going to be dark, and you're not going to be able to see me. But I am going to be doing some footage of the fireworks that we will be blasting off tonight, so we'll just go ahead and stay tuned for that, you guys, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and let you guys go. And my back up. Oh, shit. Woo, woo. Too close. About to back the hell up. Woo. Woo! You guys can't really see, but the kiddos are shooting. The little Roman candles. Good job, Reed. Don't shoot. Don't shoot Tony.